What's up guys, it's MartyBlendz, and today we're going to handpick products from the internet so you can complete one of the cheapest barber setups. So I'm making this video for two reasons. The first one is because knowledge is key. And what exactly do I mean by that? It means if you have the barber tools, the best barber tools, and you don't have the knowledge, kinda can't cut. Plain and simple. Now if you have the knowledge, but you don't really have the tools, maybe you can work with it because you know so much. Now the second one is to save money. I've seen multiple people out there wanting to start up barbering, and I'm 100% towards that. Wanting to start a new hobby or your next career could be very exciting, but you don't know whether you're going to stay in this industry or not, which is why you shouldn't spend so much money on the tools. Alright, now let's get on with the actual shopping. Today we're using Amazon, and if you do like any of these products, you can find them in the description below. Alright, now first things first, I'm going to look up Barber Clipper. 67 right here, so I'm gonna go for the 67, 7,000 reviews. All right, so we got this one. It comes with a clipper, trimmer, all your guards, capes. What else do you want? A little bit of oil, your charger. They kind of do imitate these right here, which is our magic, and then our babyless or babyless, whatever you want to call it. That set right there, the one that I just picked up, is probably like high 300s, maybe even 400. This one right here goes around 67, 69, so we'll add that to cart right there. All right, now we gotta find our shaver, and I'm looking to honestly not spend over 100 on the clipper, trimmer, and shaver, because that'll just defeat the whole purpose of this. We still need anything from a razor to shaving gel, I don't know, just any other little accessories that you need as a barber. So let's look up shaver. Okay, so we're going for the Kame Professional Electric Razor for men. Kame comes with two foils. We have our little charger right there, our little brush to clean it off with. We're good with this one. So we'll add this on a cart right here. So far, we're at $94, which is great because I didn't want to surpass 100. I didn't want to go over 100 because I want to make this around like $150 for you guys that don't want to spend too much money. Now the next big thing you need is shears and then your thinners. So we're gonna look for that right on here. So shears, Barber. I'm gonna go for these right here. They have more reviews and then they cost the same. They come with a comb, so you get more bang for your buck right there. So add to cart. All right, $114 for that. Now we need like our little accessories. So I'm gonna search up shaving gel. Shout out Chris Bossio. I did find 245 shaving gel, but today we're gonna go for this one because of the only fact that it's $1 cheaper, and we're looking for the cheapest one. And I know you guys probably saw some cheaper ones, but we're looking for some barber products, not just any shaving cream or a shaving gel. So that's been added. It's 123 so far. Now we're gonna look for our little like bottle sprayer, Barber bottle spray. $5.99 right here. That one because it is the cheapest. Yeah, 6.7 ounce. We're gonna add that to cart. The next strips. Add to cart, and we're set. Oh, we need our razors. On here, I really suggest you get some with blades. No, it doesn't matter which brand you get. Just get a razor with blades. This is the best price there is on Amazon. I think if there's any cheaper, then go ahead and comment down below. I couldn't find a cheaper one, so I'm gonna take this one right here. All right, now we got everything, but you need to brush off that hair when you're fading. So we're gonna look up barber brushes. $4.79 for all of these. There's 6, 3 black ones, 3 red ones. I'm gonna add to cart. All right, guys. So now I'm gonna search up those barber clips that I do put the hair up with. $4.99. Don't worry about the women and hair, women and girls or whatever. We're gonna add that to cart. $4.99. Good deal. All right, guys, so last but not least, I'm gonna search up Barber Fade Comb because we need that for clipper over combing. Just to match, I'm gonna go with the black one. Add to cart. Babyless, got that one. All right, so $150 was well worth this kit, at least from what I could see. Now we're tested in person to see how it actually performs on the next clip. Okay, so now that we received everything, it's time to unbox and then put them up to the test. Here we have our shears. Shears look like this. Adjustable blue little knob right there. So we have the blending shears right here, blue as well with the blue adjustable knob also. All right, also comb right here, so you don't need to go out buying new combs and stuff like that when you're starting off. All right guys, so the razor is metal, does seem pretty sturdy, so good quality I guess. And then we have the 100 derby blades that it comes with. These are gonna be lasting you quite a bit. Okay, now we have our shaver. This feels pretty cheap, but that's what you get for $20, I believe. So here we have our cape real quick. Feels cheap. I mean, what do you expect? You didn't pay for like a full... you can actually see through. I mean, it's not the best, but hey, it'll work. Oh, I've actually never seen this before, but you have to tie it through. That's weird. Smells like fish. All right, so they did come with the charger. These are USB, and I believe this is the same plug as Babyliss. I'm not too sure, don't quote me on that, but I think it might be. This is our clipper. Wow, it has like the little, damn, that's pretty cool. I've never seen a clipper like that. Okay, we have our trimmer with the little, everything comes real nicely packaged. That's pretty cool. It's like a T outline right there. Almost forgot. Little brush right here. It does come with your guards. 1, 2. It doesn't come with your half or 1.5, which is the reason. Wait up. Which is the reason you should buy MB guards. I actually brought these in because I wanted to test them out on the clipper itself. So let's see what's up. Multicolored set right here, which will be available soon. So if you guys like these clippers, they do fit my MB guards, which is freaking beast because they come with the half and the 1.5. All right, so now I'll be testing out all the products that I just unboxed. Really quick, if you're not subscribed, make sure to go down below and click that little red button down there. Guys, I will be rating each product from 1 to 5 stars. Now let's see how these products performed. Okay, this cape wasn't the best, but it did come for free with the clipper set. Next product I have is the spray bottle, which I'm actually going to change up for the one I currently use. It bursts water equally, which deserves a 5-star. I didn't really have to zero gap the trimmer, and it did do everything other name brands do. As you can see, I did go in softly because I didn't know how close they would hit. The C-cup and lineup wasn't a problem, and this product did tackle everything that came along. Removing excess hair with it wasn't a problem either. And overall, I would definitely rate this a 4. The shaver only cost about $25, so I didn't expect it to shave as deep as it did. I quickly underestimated this one personally, but it did do what other competitors do. I give this one a 3-star because it felt cheap and the pointless trimmer part kept hitting my client's ear. Now the clipper itself felt pretty sturdy and durable. The only thing was that it didn't zero gap, which caused me to go back and forth with my trimmer to get rid of that bottom line. I also found it not being powerful as perhaps a Wall or Babyliss. Overall, because I was able to see the digital battery life and the quality was overall good, I will rate this a nice 3. This fade comb without a doubt is great and overall absolute must have for clipper overcombing. As for shear work, I don't suggest you to pick these shears up because they didn't perform as I thought they would, nor did the blending pair, but I know for a fact that some shears on Amazon are great for the same price because I actually got my first shears on there. The razor itself was amazing for $5, especially since it came with 100 blades. The shaving gel was perfect and let me see everything clearly as I was shaving with my razor. Guys, here you have the full haircut with the cheapest barber kit you can find on the internet. Remember, it's the knowledge over fancy tools. Guys, thank you for staying throughout the whole video. If you did like any of these products, they will be linked down in the description below. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. I'm MartyBlendz, and I'm out. Peace.